Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Just having a little afternoon coffee. Hi. I keep saying I'm gonna get better with uploading and then I just don't upload for 2 weeks. So here I am, I'm gonna upload. However, it's December now. It's December 2nd when I'm filming this. And I'm gonna try and do my my own version of Vlogmas. So I wanted to try and do actual Vlogmas, but daily vlogging and editing daily is very hard for me because I do work a full-time job. I'm still in lockdown, but we still have to go into work because I work retail, so we do online orders through the store. So I still have to go in and do that. So it's not like I'm working from home. I have to go to a place. So it's really hard for me to film when I'm literally sitting at a closed store for 9 hours a day. Anyways, so I'm gonna do my own version of Vlogmas, and I'm just gonna upload where I can, when I can, and just kind of hopefully do it weekly. Not all of them are gonna be vlogs. Some of them are gonna be a video like today. You can tell by the title. I'm gonna do some Christmas makeup. I haven't done makeup. I forgot my brushes. I haven't done makeup in a really long time. I haven't done a tutorial in a really long time. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna kick off Vlogmas with a cute little makeup look that you can wear to all of your Zoom Christmas parties. That's it. That's the only place you can wear it. Thanks for tuning in to my version of my own Vlogmas. So let's get right into it. I guess I have to go get my brushes. Hold on. Okay. So we're gonna start. I'm also low-key watching Harry Potter right here. My laptop's right here right now. So if I ever I'm not paying attention, it's literally just because I'm watching Harry Potter. So okay, I just washed my face. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go in with primer first, obviously using the Milk Hydro Grip primer. So Christmas, the holidays. I know not everybody celebrates Christmas, so I should say the holidays, not just Christmas. How's everyone feeling about it this year? I feel really weird, and I don't feel in the Christmas spirit whatsoever. I don't know what's up. I think it's because of COVID, truthfully. I have put 2 Christmas ornaments on my Christmas tree, and usually I am up there doing the most with my tree and decorating. But I have put 2 ornaments on there. So yeah, I'm also doing Vlogmas like this to try and get more in the Christmas spirit and try and be more creative with the holiday time, whatever, bring my mood up. I don't know. So yeah, that's also why I wanted to start with a don't fucking tell me no. So I'm out of brow product. What do I do? This video is not going off to a good start. I'm just gonna try and use an eyeshadow from this palette. Let's see what happens, I guess. I'm just taking a flat brush. I think I'm just gonna go in with this one. Well, this one, it's dark and cool toned. I have dark and cool toned hair now, I guess. Oh my god, this is gonna be so bad. They're filming something across the street from my house, and they're being very loud. All of their trucks are really loud. They've been there for 2 days. But low-key, I want to be go over and be like, hi, do you need any extras? They film a lot of stuff on my street. They filmed something a crime show. It was a weird Canadian one that didn't go very far and only had 1 season. They filmed that at my friend's old house. She doesn't live there anymore, but when she lived there, they filmed it there, and they had to dig up my friend's backyard because in the crime show they had to dig up a dead body from my friend's backyard. not in real life, in a crime show that they filmed at her house. Just prefacing that there was no actual dead body. It was fake, all for a TV show. Okay, my grandma just called me and I don't remember what I was saying. I don't remember what I was talking about. I don't think my brows look too bad. This one's got, I don't know how that happened. It's really dark, but I'm just gonna darken this one a little bit. And see. I have to go get a new brow product now. God, so much money to be spent that I don't have. So my brows are done. They don't look the best, but like it's fine. If you have actual brow product, use actual brow product. So I'm gonna do my foundation. Obviously the Armani Power Fabric foundation. What else would I use? And I'm just gonna go in with that. Cover up any blemishes. My skin, guys, has been so bad lately. I can't even like fathom it. I never like have terrible skin, which I'm very lucky about. Like I never had severe acne. I get the occasional breakout here and there, like, but like I never had like severe acne, which is really nice. I think I talked about this in a video before. Anyways, but my skin has been really fucking bad lately. And I've been doing like everything I can. Like literally my entire skincare routine is courtesy of Hiram. I don't know if I've talked about this before. If I have, I'm really sorry, and like I don't know what to tell you because I have a bad memory and my brain is fried. But yeah, it's like kind of new that I have like really oily skin. So like here we are trying to combat that. I ordered products from The Ordinary off of Amazon that you can't get in Canada. Like the BHA, AHA like red face mask. I ordered that off of Amazon, but it's not allowed to be sold in Canada because of like the percent of like a certain chemical that's in it. Like it's not allowed to be sold due to our like whatever's, I don't even know, Tarte Shape Tape. So I ordered it off of Amazon and it came, and I've been using it once a week and I feel like it's been helping a little bit, but I haven't seen like a crazy like change in my skin. And I also, oh my god, I'm so annoying. I ordered an extraction kit and trying to do extractions on my blackheads because like I have a lot of blackheads just like on my nose. Bitch, it hurts. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. I like don't even know, like, does it hurt that bad when you go get it professionally? I've never had like a professional facial, which once lockdown is over I am also going to do that. I'm gonna have a professional facial and I'm going to get my nails done. I'm just gonna put powder on, then my base is like done. So I just did one eye because I didn't actually know what I was gonna do. So I needed to figure that out. And this is what I came up with. Super simple. I'm just gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Duh. I'm gonna take the shade Rustic right here and kind of do a wing with that. Kind of just like that. And then once you have your desired little wing with the Rustic, I'm gonna go into the one next to it, Cypress Umber. It's just a darker brown, and I'm gonna take the smallest little bit and literally just put it on like the outer part, like right in here. Just in that part to darken up the outside. Okay, that's it. Then I'm gonna take a clean little blending brush and just blend it. Just blend it. Just like this. Kind of bringing it in to the crease a tiny bit. Just to give it that smoky kind of dimension. Going in. Don't be afraid to be messy. And yeah, because I don't actually know what I'm doing, so this is just a messy little smoky liner thing. I don't really know. Oh, hi, Monkey, look at her. So that's what all I'm gonna do. You can do more if you please, but this is just what I'm gonna do. And then with this tiny little brush right here, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of Cypress Umber again, a tiny bit, and just go on the outsides of my lower lash line. It looks crazy right now, I know. But not bringing that more than like right here. And then kind of clean off your brush. I literally use my hand to clean off my brush if I need to. And going into Tempera at the top corner, just like the white shade. And I'm gonna blend this part with the Tempera white shade so it looks less crazy. I think I'm good with that. I like a little bit of smoky cat eye vibes. Okay, so now we're just gonna do mascara. I want it to be mostly about the eyeshadow, so I'm just doing some mascara. That's the eyes. No, it's not. Oh my god. I'm gonna take Fairy, this sparkly color right here, and put it on my inner corner. So I'm gonna finish up my face, and I'm just gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. I always do this and contour my chin because then it gives like a little snatched pointed look. And I don't really contour my nose. I kind of just like bring warmth back to the middle of my face and like messily brush bronzer there. And then any excess I just put underneath my bottom lip because any plumpness is welcomed here. Look at this. Getting the red off was so hard. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some blush, and I'm kind of just doing my basic face makeup. So I'm just doing the Kylie blush. Oh god. It took me so long to figure out what I was gonna do with my eyeshadow. I like did things and took it off like 4 times before I decided I just wanted to do something like easy and like smoky. Yeah, so that's kind of the face. The face was like not a main priority of this video. That's why I kind of just like whipped through that. So I'm just gonna set everything, avoiding my eyes. I should have, I didn't do this in a good order. Anyways, I'm just gonna, I'm running out of this stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with the lips, and I'm gonna use the Kylie lip kit in the color Boss. It's like a red. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Oh my god, that's so bright. I love it. Now going in with the matte lip. Red is so hard because if you misplace it, you're not gonna get off. And it's just gonna have to look fucked up if you fuck it up. I love a red lip. I really fucking do. Wow. Okay, I'm sorry. Who is she? She's the CEO. She's the CEO. Literally shut the fuck up. Imagine being on a Zoom. Imagine being on a Zoom call with this, with me. Just Merry Christmas. Well, okay, so this is the look that I came up with. I think it looks super good, and anybody would be lucky to looking at you Anyone would be lucky to look at you looking this good on a Zoom call. If you want to use my photo on your Zoom call, go ahead. You can. Wow. I'm surprised with how good this turned out. I think I'm gonna wear red lipstick every single day from now on, just so everybody knows. If you see me in red lips and sweatpants and no other makeup, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay, so that's it for my little tutorial. Sorry it was kind of all over the place. I didn't really know what I was doing. Had to restart my makeup a bunch of times. But here we are. We did it. Came up with this look. And yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more of my Vlogmas stuff. And stay tuned for more. I'm really gonna try and be on top of my Vlogmas stuff. I have a bunch of videos, like ideas in my notes planned out, so I won't have to like freak out and be like, oh my god, what am I gonna film today? I just can't stop staring at myself. Like, who said I could look this good? Who said? I just want to know who said. Yeah, I'm gonna go take Instagram photos now. So I'm coming on for another final note because I'm watching Harry Potter right now and I'm a huge fucking nerd. Can you imagine this makeup look with a silk black dress and silver jewelry and some black pumps to the Yule Ball in the Goblet of Fire? Like, can you imagine wearing this makeup and a silk black dress to the Yule Ball? Like Hermione Granger, who? It's all about me. It's all about me. Holy fuck. Someone take me to a ball.